To export views from Revit into BIM 360 Glue, you want to go to your Add-ins tab, located right here, and then click on the glue icon. Typically, when you install Revit on your computer, BIM 360 add-ins should automatically come in by default. If it's not there, you'll need to go to the Autodesk website and look for the BIM 360 add-in. So just go ahead and click on the Glue tab. It's going to ask you to sign in. Just type in your username and password. You're going to select the project that you want to glue to. Since I only have one project, it's Park Place. Then you're going to select the views you want to export. I want to basically export all the views I already have set up here. We'll go ahead and check the all buildings. I want to make sure all those views are updated. Go ahead and click Next. It's going to bring up another dialog box asking what type of files you want to export as. We want to use NWCs. It'll also bring you up, where do you want to locate it. We want to locate those in the architectural and just update the previously glued files. As you can see, they were glued at 2 o'clock. It's now 6. So it's going to update those files. Go ahead and hit Glue. And it's just going to do run its exporter. It's going to export as NWC, you can see here. So once you exported your models to glue, you'll get a message that'll pop up on your screen saying that your models are gluing, and it'll probably take you about several minutes. It could take up to 5 minutes to glue the models, sometimes more, depending on how many views you're sending out to glue. And then you'll get another notification saying when it's finished. When that's done, you can go ahead and launch the glue application. I already have it installed. And it's going to also ask you to sign in. If you've already signed into Revit, it's not going to ask you to sign in again, but I signed out. Go ahead and sign in. Then you're going to select the project, Park Place. This is the project we're working in this example. So here you can see the menu for BIM 360. We're going to click on the Models tab, since that's where we want to find our models that we just recently glued to 360. And then under our BIM coordination folder, Arch, you're going to see the newly appended files or updated files that we just sent out. And that's basically going to have each individual model file broken out in a thumbnail, and from there you can go ahead and start to merge those models, and we'll get to that in our next example. So in order to merge models, you're going to click on the Merge Models icon in BIM 360. It'll bring up your models that you have already created for merge models, but we want to create a new one for this example. So you click on the Add Merge Model, find the files that you want to merge. So we just recently uploaded some new architectural building files, so I'll select those, and then you need to give it a name. So we'll call this Arch Merged. And then go ahead and click Merge Model, and it'll go ahead and start to basically merge all those models together, and then it'll open it, and that's going to take a couple minutes. So now you can see here is the file of all the building files merged together, and you can see here in the model viewer window, you can basically control the visibility of each one of those building files that we uploaded. So that's how you merge models.